Kasi babe, today I'm 7 weeks pregnant. And yeah, kumakain ako nitong itlog. Alam niyo ba, ito laging kinakain ko nung una ko nalaman na buntis ako. Pero ngayon, naduduwal talaga ako kapag pinipilit kong kumain. Kaya nga, tigil na ako sa pagkain ng itlog kahit kailangan. Yung dati nakasanayan mong kainin. Like, yan, nung nagsisimula pa lang akong kumain ng healthy food. Lagi ako kumakain ng itlog araw-araw. Pero yan, ngayon, naduduwal ako. Kaya, ultimong isang buo hindi kumakain. So, today nga pala is Monday. And, yan, nag-i-snow. 3 araw na nag-i-snow dito sa Netherlands. Anong isang araw, gumawa kami ng snowman. Yeah. So, nagawa kami ng snowman. Ang cute lang kasi, yung ginawa naming ilong is lumpia. Frozen lumpia. Wala kami mailagay na panlagay sa ilong. Wala kaming carrots, wala kaming, anything na related sa ilong. So, yun ang naisip ni Justin na ilagay, lumpia. And yung nilagay naming mata is taklob ng mga bote kasi nga wala din kami mahanap na botones. Meron tayo ditong volume sur. It means folic acid. Nung nalaman ko na pregnant na ako, grabe yung emotion ko. As in, napaiyak talaga ako kasi tumawag agad ako sa Berloskundige. Yun yung midwife or OB dito sa Netherlands. Nagpa-schedule ako ng appointment. Tinanong nila ako kung ilang weeks na akong buntis. Kaya based on my LMP or last menstrual period, today is the day na first appointment natin for ultrasound. Although, 8 weeks na tong ating tiyan. Kinakabahan ako na na-excite. Sana okay lang si baby. Sana magpakita na yung heart. 8 weeks na. Today namin malalaman yung lagay ni baby. Kailangan natin kumain. As in, every 3 hours na akong nagugutom. Kaya dati kumakain ako ng 8:30 or 9 pero ngayon hindi na pwede. Sometimes 7:30 gutom na ako. Sometimes 8 a.m. And nag-resign na nga pala ako sa work. Dadalhin natin tong barley at saka itong salmon oil. Alam nyo ba, siguro nakatulong din to kaya mabilis ako nabuntis. At saka yung Necosi. Yung Necosi kasi is madaming vitamins yun. Tapos, uminom ako ng 7 sachet. Ko siya within 6 months. Tapos, after ko nun, tinigil ko yun. And nag-inom ako ng Opti-Juice. And safe to sa buntis. Pero, tinanong ko pa din sa Berloskundige kung pwede kong inumin to. Kaya, dadalhin natin to para ipakita sa kanila.
This is the baby. This is the baby. Yeah? This one. So, there is one. Huh? Not 2, 1. So, that's nice.
Grabe talaga tong mukha ko. Yung hormones ko, kasi nga, we just found out that I'm pregnant. Today, pupunta tayo ng Berloskundige. Second ultrasound natin today. Tapos, napakain ako ng adobong pusit. Eh, hindi ko naman alam na magkakaroon ako ng ganitong reactions. Para akong sinuntok dito. Ang daming acne. First time ko magkaroon nito, pero okay lang. Naglalagay lang tayo ng salve para medyo kumalma naman. So, tigil na tayo ng pagkain ng pusit. Although, meron pa ako 1 kilo sa freezer. Let's go! And makikita na natin kung ano yung development ni baby. Nung una kasi, 8 weeks and 2 days kami nagpunta dun sa first ultrasound namin. And yeah, healthy si baby. And tama yung measurement niya. And my heartbeat na din. And sana ngayon mas okay.
This is baby.
Yeah.
And baby is moving and you see a beating heart over there?
Yeah.
So baby is going good. You see?
Oh, she's moving.
There.
Okay.
This is an arm over there. He's jumping.
Oops. Kicking it. We're here at Barrio Pilipinas, here in Den Haag.
Oh my God!
Come on! Come on! Say it! Come on! Yes! 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 Yes!
Good morning! Today is Friday and guess what? Today is my birthday! Tumatanda na tayo. So this past few days, we were so busy kasi may ang appointment and then, yeah, we're getting married! Scott! Hello! So, pupunta kami ngayon ng Mainte kasi meron kaming pipil-upan. Kahapon nang galing ako doon, naglakad lang ako kasi ayoko magbike, sobrang lamig. Kapag nagbabike ako, hinahangos ako and diretso asthma minsan. Kaya, nag-decide ako maglakad na lang kahit sobrang layo. And tingnan nyo yung face ko, may pagbabago na. Hindi na masyadong acne. Konti na lang yung acne. And salve lang yung gamit ko, yung salve ko na ginawa. Happy birthday to me! Naglinis-linis kami dito sa bahay. And yeah, nag-sort na din kami ng mga gamit. And namili kami ng mga gamit ni baby. So, meron tayo ditong ilang romper na. So, ang pinili namin is neutral color muna. Kasi hindi pa namin alam yung gender. Eto pa. Last time namili din ako. Yan. Maliliit. Paunti-unti mamili na tayo. Para naman hindi tayo malate ng pamimili. Dito kasi maagang nagne-nesting. Dito sa Netherlands. Ewan ko lang sa ibang country. Pero sa Pinas, nagne-nesting kapag 7 months na yung tiyan. Kaya ayan. Oh, di ba? Paunti-unti. And meron na din akong binili ng mga essentials na baby. Shampoo, body wash, naka-sale sa Crowdbat. Meron tayo nito. Sweet Sal yung napili namin brand for our baby. Body soap. Niyaya ko si Justin sa Crowdbat. Kasi naman, sabi ko, mag-check tayo baka may mga naka-sale na gamit ng baby. And body lotion. Dalawa-dalawa yung binili namin. Mag-ready na. And eto pa. So, ayan. 0 to 6 months na socks. Ayun na yun Yung isa, kumakain na naman ng Toblerone. No, it's not Toblerone. Kumakain na naman ng Ferrero. Today is the day we're getting married! And ang dami naming tatanggap na cards dito. Tingnan nyo, ang dami. Tapos may nagpadala nitong chocolates. Dankjewel for the chocolate. Ilang oras na lang and yeah, magpe-prepare na ako. Napabili ako ng foundation and clip. And look, this is the bag that I made for my wedding. Scott, what can you say about the bag that I made?
Beautiful.
Yeah, with the tag na yan, Sassy Crochet. Ang daming cards, Ngayon lang to pinadala and may chocolate pa. Kainin natin yan.
Justin decided to travel there as well. You packed your bags and flew on your own to the other side of the world. Quite a big step. Your first time traveling alone and such a long journey. But someone very special was waiting for you on the other side. For 3 weeks, you had the chance to discover her world. She showed you everything. From Manila to Batangas and Mindoro and so much more. From the rice fields to the breathtaking islands, you experienced the warm culture and, of course, the delicious food. And right away, the entire family-in-law. It's no small thing, but you were welcomed with open arms, just like Cecile herself is, as a warm personality she has. It was clear she didn't get that from a stranger.
Dear Cecile, you always say I'm not very romantic, but today I want to try, because you are worth it. When I come home to you and you smile at me, I feel calm and safe. With you, I feel at home. And that is something I never want to take for granted. I promise I will never lose you and never lose how much you mean to me. I love you.
Time flies so fast, and today is our day. As we stand here today, we begin not only a marriage, but a legacy of love. I promise to love you with patience, to speak with kindness, and to act with honesty. The first time I met you, I never thought we will end here. I am looking forward to start a new journey with you. Ik hoop aan je mijn schatje. Today is our gender reveal party. Yeah, malalaman na natin ang gender ni baby. And ang ganda ng painting sa likod. Yeah, we're so excited to know the gender of our baby. Say hi, Scott! Are you excited?
Yeah.
Hi, ate!
Noah.
Video to.
So clear!
Oh,
Wil je niet? Oh nee, dat gaat.
Is aan het filmen dan?
I hold it.
Die.
Okay, let's go.